Hi, I'm Stacey with Fantasy RV Tours, and we are here in beautiful sunny Albuquerque, New Mexico, preparing for our Albuquerque Balloon Fiesta Rally. Soon this entire parking area would be full of RVs and the beautiful blue sky will be full of balloons. So if this is on your bucket list, follow along to see all of the exciting events. And the RVs are starting to stream in. We even have our ambassadors at the front gate to help you find your parking place. This is our private event tent where we'll hold all of our socials, meals, and coffee and donuts for those early morning balloon launches. Here we are in our events tent on our first night. We're having dinner, chicken fajitas, steak fajitas, and we have live entertainment. And right now he's working on teaching some of our volunteers how to play the marimba. All around me. The balloons are flying and the box is in effect. Take a look. It's time for mimosa brunch. Come on. And we always get these magnificent sunsets.